Hello everybody, welcome to CE 52201, Fundamentals of Building Information Modeling. This is our week 1. In this short video, I will provide a quick overview of what to expect in our first week of the class. We'll start week 1 with questions. What makes our AEC or architectural engineering and construction industry low in efficiency? People say BIM is revolutionizing the practice at the AEC industry. But what is BIM? Why and how? So we are looking at what benefits does BIM bring? Does BIM address the low efficiency issue in the AEC industry? We will answer these questions through the basic definitions of BIM and also looking at case studies and outline the benefits. Following these questions, I would like to introduce our learning objectives in week 1. First, you will be able to determine the problems in the traditional facility delivery process. 2, you will be able to define BIM, what is it, from many different perspectives. 3, you will be summarize and explain the benefits of BIM in the AEC industry. What to expect in week 1? First of all, you will be watching a few videos of our lectures. We also have exercises following each video. We have quizzes, we have homework assignments, case studies, and we will also have a lab, and that lab has an assignment. Please be expected to spend about 5 hours during week 1 to complete all the contents.